What's up, everybody? OmegaMan2112 here, and today we're going to be reviewing Dr. Squatch's Drunken Pumpkin. Now, I've never reviewed this, so I know it's a little late for Halloween, but they still sell it, so I figured I'd do a review since I have it here. Let's open this up and test it out. So, Drunken Pumpkin is a medium grit featuring pumpkin seed powder. It smells like a fresh fall breeze, according to their website. Now, it has notes of pumpkin, apple, ginger, and fall spices. So let's open it up, take a look. I can already smell it from here. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you can see that. It is pretty orange. It's got a very clean scent. Almost like a fall cleaning supply, household cleaner scent, which I hate the Dr. Squatch soaps that smell like household cleaners. But it does have that scent with a little bit of fall, so it has that fake fallness scent to it, which I don't like. But it's a nice looking bar. So let's jump in the shower and test it out, and I'll let you know how it smells after it's lathered up. Because as I've said in the past, they always smell different lathered up, and sometimes I like them a little bit more because they're usually a lot milder smelling once you use them in the shower. So we're gonna use this bad boy and be right back. And we're back after showering with Drunken Pumpkin from Dr. Squatch, and it's not as strong in the shower as it is right here smelling it, which, like I said, that's pretty normal with Dr. Squatch. The medium grit was okay. I do prefer light grit. I like the rust color of the bar, but it's still a little too detergent-y for me, which a lot of their newer scents just tend to keep going in a detergent-y smell. And so as far as these Halloween scents, this is probably one of my least favorites. I do like Count Sudula. And one of my favorites was Werewolf Wash, which I don't think they made this year, but that was one of my favorites. So probably, like I said, my least favorite out of the Halloween ones. Would I buy it again? No, I probably wouldn't buy it again once I use this one and finish it up. So there you have it. There's my review on Drunken Pumpkin from Dr. Squatch. There you have it. There's my review on Drunken Pumpkin from Dr. Squatch. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for any upcoming reviews. Till next time.